Welcome back, Profit Quest family. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency on the Kraken exchange. If you don't have an account yet, just head to the video description and click on the link to get started. Once you're on the Kraken page, click on Get Started and simply enter your details. After creating your account and logging in for the first time, your dashboard should look like this. The first thing you need to do is verify your account. To do that, go to the top right corner, click on your name, and then select Get Verified. Kraken offers 3 different verification levels. The first is the starter level, which only takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Here, you just need to enter your name and address. With this level, you can deposit and withdraw crypto up to $5,000 per day, but bank transfers won't be available. If you need bank transfers, you'll need to complete the intermediate verification. For that, you'll need to submit a copy of your ID. Once verified at the intermediate level, you can deposit and withdraw up to $100,000 per day or $500,000 per month using bank transfers. This level also unlocks additional features like crypto staking to earn rewards and access to Kraken's futures trading platform. However, note that futures trading isn't available in the United States. Once your account is verified, it's time to deposit money. To deposit, click on Funding at the top of your dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of your balances, including both fiat currencies like euros or US dollars and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Tether. First, let's deposit fiat currency. For this example, we'll use euros, but you can choose other currencies such as US dollars, pounds, or Canadian dollars. Click on Deposit next to your chosen currency. You'll see options to fund your account, including third-party services, but I recommend using the manual bank transfer method. With this option, you'll receive the bank details you need for the transfer. Enter the amount you want to deposit, for example, 500 euros. Choose your bank transfer method. I usually pick the first option. You'll be provided with the recipient name, IBAN, and a reference code. Be sure to include the reference code when you make the transfer so that Kraken can credit the money to your account. The deposit typically arrives within a day. You can follow a similar process for depositing US dollars. Select Deposit next to the USD balance. Type in your deposit amount, let's say $500, then choose your bank transfer method. For example, you can select Signature Bank via Swift transfer. Again, you'll receive the recipient name, bank account number, and the reference code. Use these details to complete your transfer via online banking. Now, let's deposit cryptocurrency. Return to the funding page, scroll down to your crypto balances, and choose a coin, for example, Bitcoin. Click Deposit, and you'll see your unique deposit address. Simply copy this address and use it to send Bitcoin from your other exchange or wallet. After sending, you can return to funding and check your balance to confirm if the deposit has arrived. Next, let's buy some cryptocurrency. Click on Buy Crypto at the top of your dashboard. If you've deposited crypto, you can convert it directly into another cryptocurrency. For example, you can convert USDT to Bitcoin. Simply enter the amount you want to convert, and Kraken will show you how much you'll receive. Click Review to check the conversion details, then confirm the transaction to complete the swap. Now, let's buy crypto using the fiat money we deposited. Click Buy. Then choose your cryptocurrency. Let's go with Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to purchase, for example, 50 euros. Kraken will display an estimate of how much Bitcoin you'll get. Below, you can select your payment method. Here, we'll use the euro balance we previously deposited, but you can switch to your US dollar balance if that's what you funded. Alternatively, you can add a credit card for instant purchases. To buy with a credit card, enter your card details, card number, expiration date, and security code. Then click Continue to proceed with the purchase. In this example, we'll stick with our deposited euro balance. After selecting it, click Review to see your order summary, including the exact amount of Bitcoin you're buying, the price per Bitcoin, and any fees involved. If everything looks good, click Confirm to complete your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully bought Bitcoin on Kraken. You can repeat these steps for any other cryptocurrency you want to purchase. If you haven't created your Kraken account yet, just click the link in the video description. Hit Get Started and follow the steps to sign up and begin your crypto journey. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. On our Telegram channel, I regularly publish daily combo codes, share new airdrop opportunities, and post updates about the crypto world. Make sure to join so you never miss out. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.